I see him every morning. His name is Mr. Miller. He is very tall. He is very handsome. He wears a dark suit every day. His suit is expensive. His shoes are shiny. He walks fast. He does not look at me. I am Lily. I am his assistant. I hold his folders. I make his coffee. I schedule his meetings. To him, I am just a machine. I am a shadow in the office. He treats me like a stranger. He says, "Lily, where is the report?" He says, "Lily, get me water." He never says, "Lily, how are you?" But I have a secret. A very big secret. 6 months ago there was a party. It was the company's birthday. There was music. There was dancing. Mr. Miller drank some wine. He laughed. He was not the boss that night. He was just a man. We talked for hours. We danced. He looked into my eyes and said, "Lily, you are beautiful." That night was magic. But the next morning, everything changed. He walked into the office. He looked at me. His eyes were cold again. He said, "Lily, I need the files for the London project." He forgot. He forgot the dancing. He forgot the talking. He forgot the magic. But I cannot forget. Every morning, I feel sick. I am tired. My stomach is growing. Under my big white shirt and my black skirt, a life is growing. I am carrying his baby. I look at him in the meeting. He is talking about money. He is talking about success. He does not know that in 3 months he will be a father. I hold my leather folder tight against my stomach. I want to tell him. I want to shout. "Look at me. I am the mother of your child." But I am afraid. He is the boss. I am just an assistant. He is rich. I am poor. If I tell him, will he hate me? Will he fire me? I watch him walk away. His shoulders are broad. He is strong. He is perfect. And he is a stranger. Mr. Miller's office is at the top of the building. It has big windows. You can see the whole city. I go inside with his coffee. He is looking at his computer. I look at him. I look at his hair. It is dark and soft. I look at his hands. His fingers are long. He uses those hands to sign big contracts. I remember those hands on my waist when we danced. My heart beats fast. Thump thump. Thump thump. "Lily," he says. His voice is deep. It is like a drum. "Yes, Mr. Miller?" "You are standing there. Why are you staring?" I blush. My face is hot. "I am sorry, sir. Here is your coffee. Black. No sugar." He takes the cup. Our fingers touch for 1 second. It feels like electricity. He stops. He looks at me. He looks at my face for a long time. "Are you okay, Lily? Your face is very pale. Are you eating enough?" I am shocked. Does he care? Is he seeing me now? "I am fine, sir. Just a little tired." "Go sit down," he says. "You are working too hard." I walk back to my desk. I feel happy. He noticed me. But then I feel a kick. A small, soft kick in my stomach. The baby is moving. The baby is hungry. I realize I cannot hide this for much longer. My jackets are getting tight. My face is getting rounder. At lunch, I sit in the park. I eat an apple. I look at the families. I see a father playing with a little boy. Will Mr. Miller play with our baby? Or will he give me money and tell me to go away? He loves his work. He loves his dark suits and his meetings. He does not have room for a crying baby. I see a photo of him in a magazine. The headline says, "The most eligible bachelor in the city." He is famous. He is a king. And I am just the girl who brings him coffee. I feel a tear in my eye. I wipe it away. I must be strong. For the baby, I must be strong. It is a Monday morning. The office is very busy. There is a big meeting with people from New York. I have to stand for 2 hours. My legs hurt. My back hurts. The room is hot. I feel dizzy. The walls are moving. I see Mr. Miller. He is talking. His mouth is moving, but I cannot hear him. Everything is turning black. Lily, someone calls. Ifal. When I open my eyes, I am on the sofa in Mr. Miller's office. The tie is off his neck. He is kneeling on the floor next to me. He looks worried. Lily, are you okay? Drink some water. I am sorry, I whisper. I called a doctor, he says. My heart stops. A doctor? No. The doctor will know. The doctor will tell him. No doctor. I say loudly. I try to sit up. Lily, stay down. You fainted. It is serious. He puts his hand on my shoulder. He is so close. I can smell his perfume. It smells like wood and rain. He looks at me, and for a moment, I see the man from the party. The kind man. Lily, he whispers. What is wrong? Are you sick? I want to tell him. The words are in my mouth. I am pregnant with your child. But I look at the door. The other workers are watching. They are whispering. Why is the boss helping her? Is she in trouble? I stand up. I pull my jacket down. I am just tired, sir. I didn't eat breakfast. I am sorry for the trouble. He looks at me with doubt. He does not believe me. His eyes go down to my waist. I hold my folder over my stomach quickly. Go home, Lily, he says. His voice is cold again. Take the rest of the week off. That is an order. I nod and leave. I run to the elevator. I cry. I cry because I love him. I cry because I am alone. When I get home, I look in the mirror. I take off my jacket. My stomach is a beautiful circle. I touch it. Don't worry, little one. I say. I will protect you. Even if your father doesn't know who we are. But that night my phone rings. It is an unknown number. Hello. Lily. It is James Miller. My breath stops. He never calls me. And he used his first name. I am coming over, he says. We need to talk. Now. Knock. 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 My heart is a drum. I am wearing a large sweater. I open the door. Mr. Miller is there. He is not wearing his suit jacket. His white shirt is open at the neck. He looks tired. He looks human. Can I come in? He asks. Yes, sir. Don't call me sir. Not here. He walks into my small apartment. He looks at my books. He looks at my small kitchen. He looks at a pair of tiny yellow socks on the table. I forgot to hide them. I quickly grab the socks and put them in my pocket. Lily, he says. He stands in the middle of the room. I am not a stupid man. I stay silent. In the office today, when you fainted, I saw how you held your stomach. I look at the floor, and I remembered, he says softly. I remembered the party. I remembered that night. I didn't forget, Lily. I was afraid. I look up. Afraid? You are the boss. You are never afraid. He laughs, but it is a sad laugh. I am a boss of a company, but I don't know how to be a man. I thought, if I act like a stranger, the feeling will go away. But it didn't. Every day I watch you. I see you getting tired. I see you changing. And I realized today, when you fell, I realized I cannot lose you. He walks closer. He reaches out his hand. He touches my stomach. He is very gentle. Is it mine? He whispers. A tear falls down my face. Yes, I whisper. It is yours. He closes his eyes. He leans his forehead against mine. Why didn't you tell me? I thought you would fire me. I thought I was just an assistant to you. You are not just an assistant, he says. He takes my hands. His hands are warm. You are the woman who has been in my dreams for 6 months. You are the mother of my child. I feel a great weight lift off my shoulders. I am not alone. What do we do now? I ask. Now, he says, everything changes. No more secrets. No more Mr. Miller. No more folders. He kisses my forehead. For the first time in a long time, I feel safe. But then, he looks at the tiny yellow socks in my pocket. Yellow, he smiles. Does that mean it's a surprise? I don't know yet, I smile back. He looks around my small apartment. Well, you cannot stay here. Tomorrow we move your things. Move? Where? To my house, he says. To our home. It is a beautiful morning. The sun is shining through the windows of a big, beautiful house. I am sitting in a garden. There are flowers everywhere. I am wearing a blue dress. It is comfortable. I don't have to hide my stomach anymore. I hear a car. James is home. He doesn't walk fast anymore. He doesn't look at his phone. He walks straight to me. He has a bag of groceries and a bunch of roses. Red roses. How is the baby today? He asks. He kisses me. The baby is very active. I say. I think he wants to be a football player. James laughs. He sits next to me. He looks different. He is not wearing a tie. He looks happy. The people at the office were surprised. At first, they whispered. But James didn't care. He walked into the office holding my hand. He told everyone, "This is Lily. She is my partner. We are having a baby." He was so proud. I was so proud. I am not an assistant anymore. I am studying art. I am painting pictures of the trees and the sky. James helps me. Sometimes he tries to paint, but he is not very good. We laugh a lot. Lily, James says. He looks at me seriously. Yes, I was a stranger to you for a long time. I am sorry. I was cold. I was focused on money. I forgot what is important. I touch his face. It's okay. We found our way. He takes a small box out of his pocket. He opens it. Inside is a ring. It is beautiful. It shines like a star. Lily, I don't want to be a stranger ever again. I want to be a father. I want to be a husband. Will you marry me? I cannot speak. My heart is full. I look at the man who was once the boss. Now he is my best friend. He is the man I love. Yes, I say. Yes, James. I will. He puts the ring on my finger. It fits perfectly. We sit in the garden for a long time. We talk about the future. We talk about names for the baby. We talk about the nursery. The world is big. Sometimes it is scary, but I am not a shadow anymore. I am seen. I am loved. And my baby will grow up knowing that his father is not a stranger. He is a man with a big heart. I see him. He is tall. He is handsome. He is not the boss. He is mine. Strong outro. Thank you for listening to this story. Did you like Lily and James's journey? Sometimes the people we think are strangers are actually the people who belong in our lives the most. Now it's your turn to practice. 1. What was the secret Lily was hiding? 2. How did James change from the beginning to the end? 3. Write one sentence in the comments using the word stranger. If you enjoyed this A1-A2 English listening practice, please like the video and subscribe for more stories. Your support helps us create more lessons for you. See you in the next story. Would you like me to create a vocabulary list or a set of multiple choice questions based on this script to help your viewers even more?